Hey, it's me again. Just showing you guys my Robit in action. So it's doing some cleaning right now. Yeah, it's doing some cleaning right now. So yeah. So it's doing some cleaning right now. Seems to know what he's doing. So, oh, whatever the name of the robot that's I meant to say. It's not a he, it's a she. So yeah, her name is Pamela. That's her name. So that's the name of the robot. So that's what I named her. So yeah, it's doing pretty good so far. Yeah, so it's not too bad, not too bad. It's just really doing the areas that need to be done. Under the bed is one of the most important things that the shoes go over. Under the bed is probably one of the most important areas that the vacuum should go under. So that's where all the dust and hair gets collected. So especially underneath the dresser, that's one of the most important tools to go under too. So that's very important that it goes underneath the dresser too, because most of the dust gets collected underneath there too. So yeah. It goes back under the bed right now. Oh, never mind. Pipe's gonna go underneath there again. You guys wonder what I was doing, I'm sending it back under the bed again, because it must have missed a spot underneath there. Must have missed a spot there, so that's why I sent it back under the bed. I guided with these arrows. I guided to go that way, so he's doing pretty good job so far. Not too bad. Just doing his cleaning and that stuff. So oh, it must be clean real good under the bed if it's been there for that long. So yeah, so it's pretty good job. Go underneath the bed again. Huh. Must have like clean underneath there somehow. It keeps going underneath there. Well, at least he's doing a good job. He's going back to the same area, because that means he's cleaning up that area. So Alright guys, I'm about to let's see, maybe when he gets out of there I'm about to send it home. Yeah, but I did a good job so far, so yeah, I went back underneath the bed again. Oh well. Doing a good job though. You know, even if he keeps going back to the same area there, that means he's making sure that he didn't miss a spot, you know. Or anything like that. He keeps going back to the same area, so just want to make sure it's getting everything underneath the bed, so I want to try something new here. See, when it gets out of the bed, I want to try something here. So I just paused it, so I'm going to move it closer. There you go. I know my vacuum's kind of dirty, so I'm going to wipe it off. Here's cleaning. Looks kind of dusty. Haven't used it for last week, so there we go. So now I'm about to try, you guys. It's called this I don't know if you guys can see, it's right here. This thing right here, it's a spot cleaning, I think it's what it's called. So I'm about to try that. That's called spot cleaning, and it goes in a circle, and its circle gets bigger over time. So I have no idea how big the circle gets, but it's gonna be cleaning this area right here. So this area right here. So if there's any dust or particles in that area, it'll clean it out. So. Oh, looks like it finished cleaning. Looks like it finished cleaning. So now I'm about to guide it to go closer to his house. Now I'm about to send it home. Now since it's closer to home, I should be able to get mounted on his home pretty easily. Sometimes it takes a couple of times, but yeah, like this time, see, just gonna take. Sometimes it takes like 4 tries for him to get into his home. So yeah, it really depends. Here you go, now it's charging. Okay, now we're about to take out the take out the dustbin, see how much it collected. Moment of truth. Let's see where's the light here. There's more light right here, guys, so you can see some light in here. Moment of truth. Let's check it out. See how much dust it collected. Oh wow, look at that, guys. That's definitely dusty. That's definitely really dusty. I want to clean it out right now. I gotta bring the trash here. Look at all these dust and hairs. Well, this is clean. Now let's clean this out. There you go. That's clean too. So now we put this back. There we go. Then we put the dustbin back into the vacuum. There we go. It's back into a shiny box. It didn't look that shiny. It was dusty when I first used it. So, alright, guys. So I'm going to put the trash can back into where it was. There we go. So that's what it is, and this is the video for today, guys. So I thought I'd show you how to clean my room. So alright, anyways, that's it for now, you guys. If you like this video, please give a comment, and maybe I can share your comments and let me know if you want to know something about the Robit V7S Pro. So if there's anything you want to know about it, just let me know, and I'll look it up, or I'll look on the manual, see if it says it on the manual too. Alright, guys, that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and I'm hoping to see you on the next one. Alright, bye.